30 there.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Hi babe, say hi to the people.
Hi.
Say hi to our family and friends. Hiyak do. Hiyak. Another road trip in the mountains today. Today is Sunday. Yesterday we went to a lookout. And today we're gonna go and pick up some apples. And now in Richmond. You're not hungry, Baba? Okay.
Stop.
Library, Richmond Library. Very old building. Yeah, cute house. Okay, let's go and stop in KFC and get something to eat.
Do you want some nuggets, Lucas? Okay, man. Oh, there's sliders too. Sliders are yum.
We are going to Bilpin Fruit Bowl where you pick your own apples, vegetables. And there's the river.
Push the other guy up. That's called.
The river.
It's called jousting.
That's another one. Welcome to Richmond. Oh, that was quick. Let's eat some KFC. Go bucket. Wicked Wings, go bucket. Here we are. We're nearly there. 20 minutes away. May mga balay dito sa ubos, oh. Mga balay. Yeah, look at these guys. Oh, they're all burned. The trees from the bushfire.
They fell down.
Look, oh.
Is that where the bushfire was?
Yeah, that's where the bushfire was here.
I can't see the house is working. Why can't see the house is
We're going down again.
Oh,
Lugsong na po. Yeah, lugsong na po. Nearly there. Look at the bush, oh. Ito mintaw ng mga kahoy, oh. Upaw. Tungod sa bushfire, diri.
Yeah, quickly it starts to grow back.
Yeah.
Weird how the leaves are
I
on
know
the
they're regrowing, yeah.
Is that cool, Luke?
Tanawa diri, tanan. Naapektuhan is bushfire. Tanan. Nawaon. Look at it, start to grow. It's regrowing. Tanawa, oh, dako kayang bushfire diri. Apektuhan ni tanan itong bushfire.
I
Tanawa ang balay, oh. Look at the house there, look.
How did that house survive?
Yeah, that's very...
Right in the middle of where the burn.
Tanawa, oh. Upaw in town. Look at all the black trees. It's a big area that got burned. Hala, oy. It must be really scary here.
I didn't see clouds.
Look, oh.
I didn't see clouds there.
No clowns. Imagine the koalas and the kangaroos. Taon kaluoy. Pero nanalingsing na pudog balik. What's she doing? Nanalingsing na pudog balik. Big area ang nasunog diri good. Hadlok kitingali diri ay. Okay, we're nearly here, guys. If you see a fruit bowl, that's where we're going. Kapit na. Dara, dad. Here, dad. Dara. That's where it is. That's where we're going. The Bilpin fruit bowl. Uy, daghan tao. My dad, you did very good. We're here now, guys. Okay, let's get out. Something tao, DJ.
I'll bring the bag, yeah.
Okay, let's go, my love.
Okay, let's do a Luke. Luke,
We
you need a
arrived.
jacket, we'll give you a jacket.
Yeah, he's got a jacket there, right there, oh. In the back seat. Okay, tugnaw gamay.
I'm gonna bring some umbrellas as well.
Okay, let's go, my love.
It starts raining.
Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go and pick some apples. Fresh apples. Babe, are you ready? Mr. Asahi?
Yeah. Yep.
So it's $5 for the entrance. And then if you pick an apple or a vegetable, it's $5 a kilo.
$5 an apple.
A kilo?
Oh.
Sama ni siya, oy, bungol man. Ouch. Oh, we could have parked here, babe.
You want me to move the car?
Are you allowed to enter this way? Are you allowed? Yeah.
Mommy, look.
Hey.
Is that where we're going?
Yeah, that's where we're going. That's where we're
Where
going.
that white thing is?
Yeah, that's where the people there. That's where we're going. And you want me to take a picture of you picking apples? Huh? Uy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I missed the tractor.
Sige na, guys. Kay excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Watch the paddle. Watch the paddle.
I thought you meant the tractor ride.
Do you want to go on the tractor ride?
Yeah.
Watch the paddle. Excited ang gamay. Excited ang gamay. You excited, Baba?
I like the old wheel.
Watch it. Poo. Oh. Tana, mag-picking tayo ng apples.
Okay, Mom.
I thought it was cows po. This way, guys. Oh.
We're going here. Why is a baby tractor?
That's a mower, dude. Oh, there's some apples there. Oh, red apples. Red apples. Don't say that word. Oh, there's a baby baby tractor. Ah, no, it's a mower. It's a mower. Okay, watch where you're going, love. Tana, guys, let's go. I'm ready. Come on, let's go and pick up some. Pick up. Let's go and pick up. Go, guys, and pick some apples and some vegetables. Fresh from the farm. Tayo, guys. The entrance is $5 for adults, $3 for children under 16 years old. Oh, yuck, muddy. Okay, stand there and I'll take. Look at that, guys. Oh. Good. Mga diha mga apples o mga apples. Magbayad sa mig entrance fee.
We had no water.
Apples. Yeah. That's the water.
It's like the records. Like at the records.
Is it?
Like some of it's rocky, some of it's muddy.
Okay, we're gonna go here, guys. That's where we're gonna go and pick our apples.
Wait.
See here, Luke. So if you walk on the bit of grass.
This way. Whoopsie. Oh, muddy. Don't. Don't worry about it.
Ew.
Come on, let's go. They have their own water.
Mommy. Go. Mom. Do you know what I...
Okay. Here it is, guys. Pick some. Make sure you get the red one, a very nice red apple.
Oh, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mom.
Oo. This one?
Yeah.
Mommy.
It's too small.
Mommy,
Panahon, nangahog sa...
Mommy, I don't want to eat wet apples, Mom. Do you know why I don't want to eat wet apples?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh,
No,
that's
that'd be
why.
excellent.
That's
With
why.
like
The
a
taste.
aluminium
I
boat.
want to stick to the green
With a
one.
nice
That's why the
little
green
fishing
one
thing,
tastes so
right?
good.
Okay. Come on. Just walk in the thing there. One line. Okay? Stay in the middle.
Aluminium, right?
But there's nice ones there.
Okay, can we find something like a big apple? No, nangahug sa ubos ang mga apple.
Get a fiberglass. It gets heavy.
Yeah, make sure it's not yucky. Make sure there's no holes or the worms being eating it. Oh, here, Baba. Diri, oh.
What?
Aluminium.
This
Pick
one.
it.
Hang on, I'll get you the one in the bottom. Ah, yeah. Look at this bata, oh. Okay. Bata. Bata. I'll show you which one to pick, love. Come here. Come. This one, babe. This one. That's nice and big. Oh, no, it's too high. Sige.
Where do you
Pick it.
buy your
Go
tickets?
closer.
Shopping center?
Go. Yep. Yay. Put it in our bag.
Love it.
Oh, no, look.
Every time you go to Coles, you buy a
It's
couple of tickets.
yucky. Okay, sorry.
No, that's good. It's a good thing to win, and where you live would be awesome to be
You
on
need
the
to
water.
check the top.
Okay, let's go and see. Yeah, we have to check the top
And the bottom.
and the bottom. Make sure there's no worms. Here, Baba. Here, Baba. You do it.
You never know.
Ew.
Sige. Oh, good boy. The worms got it before us.
But the catch was, well, it was just a competition.
Guys, okay, red apples.
I think it was something to do with
Sige, you check first.
Ew.
Check first.
Already got it.
Oh,
anyhow, so I won the competition, and but if one
Oh.
won, it was
the worms got them.
going back a long time, right? Before online shopping was common.
Don't pick on the floor.
So it was
Oh, is it in the tree?
promoted online.
Not the little one, because it might not be sweet.
And so I won
Ooh,
$1,000 worth of
okay.
We should find orange.
And then the only thing is you had to use the internet to order your food, right? So, but we didn't have a computer back then.
But
This is back
How about
in
That's too small, my love.
look, it's clean.
Yeah, it's too small.
so
This one.
It's okay,
Ah, it's got the... Oh, this one, Baba.
back then,
This one.
check the top.
Yeah, check the top and the bottom.
to order.
Oh, this one, oh.
And I used to go once a week.
This one, Baba. This one is nice. Ah, soft.
Yeah, and then it gets home delivered. So and that was
Oh,
like
yeah,
cutting edge
good,
back
good.
then. Like,
Yeah, you picked the right one.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's okay.
And now they all do it. Actually, I forget what the site. I think it was called Green Grocers. or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, perfect.
They probably
Okay,
don't
put it in our bag, Baba.
All Woolies and Coles are doing it.
oh, ew.
No, it's alright.
Their market.
Yes. Dami, ang daming apples.
When it started, 'cause there was that's why
Sige,
they won the
check.
competition to promote it,
Sige.
and then
Take it
someone
out.
won it, and then
Good boy.
food and slowly over the years, they kept expanding the range.
Show me, my love.
Then they started doing
Yeah.
cosmetics.
Yeah, okay.
Go. Oh, yeah.
Good boy.
Right.
Fresh.
But I think,
Yeah, okay, get some. Look at these different apples. I wonder what the name of apple this one, babe.
Hey, Mom. Here.
Ay. Oh. Go, Baba. Whoa, slowly. Is it nice? Oh, that's green, Baba. Pick a good one, nice and big and red.
Let's go.
Hello, oy, tanawa guys, probuyag. Kapungpong. Kapungpong ang mga apple. Kani ko no. Ay. Oh, kani, tanawa,
Let me have this one. Oh, this one.
No, lahi man nga style nga apple. Uy. Pero Baba. Uy, no more, Baba, don't throw. This is a different apple, Dad, no? Babe, this is a different apple.
Okay. Yeah, otherwise bring it later or... Okay.
Bye. Bye, dude. Vegetables.
Is that olives, mate?
Yeah, that's olive trees. Yeah. Green olives. So there's not much of a pumpkin or squash here. They're all gone.
Oh, lettuce.
Do we find any lettuce? Up here. Broccoli. That's broccoli. That broccoli here. Butterfly. Chilies, babe. Chilies. Oh, we should have got some.
Is that broccoli?
Yeah, broccoli.
Yeah.
And chilies. Oh. Do you want some chilies? Yeah, I'll get some chilies and capsicum.
Can I have? Oh, green. Green. This is what a green.
Yeah, I
stuff
know.
is.
Capsicum. Let's go and see capsicum, eh? Yeah, don't go there. The capsicum. There's chilies. There's the chilies. Oh, eggplant, babe. Capsicum. Black capsicum. Oh, capsicum, eggplants, and broccoli. Chilies. I might get some chilies because they're cheap here. Yeah. Oh, watch it, huh? It's muddy. Muddy. What? What's yuck? Wait, I'll just get some eggplant. Stay there. Wait for me, dude. Mga bata ni. Oh, ang eggplant, oh. Come here. Eggplant. Uy, dagko ang eggplant, guys. There's no mud here. Uy, dagko ang eggplant. Eggplant, guys. Hey guys, oh. Eggplant. Ay, dagko ilang eggplant dirido. Oh. Okay. Ala. Kuha na ko, guys, nakakuha. Lahi lang eggplant diri kay dagkoon nga murag linginon. Come here with the bag. Agay, sakita. Eggplant. Hi. We have finished getting our fruit and veggies. I got chilies. And I got some eggplant, a couple of eggplants. We're going home now. We're done. Kay nalubong mi sa lapok. Be careful here. Sige.
Big jumps because you can slip.
See? It was fun, but it was fun.
It's a good experience.
The ice strawberry, pero strawberries, but not ready. Still green and babies. Uy, tigdala sa bag. Nakoy chilies para ibutang sa inununan. Eggplant for my inununan. Yes.
Look at
I know.
Look out!
I know, that was a lookout.
Ah, yes, follow me.
We're going home now, guys. Going home time. We finish our apple picking and vegetable picking. Home time. Oh, blocked ears.
Huh?
Blocked ears.
I don't have cookie.
Nanaog na pud mi.
I don't have
Naugon. Ay! Dagang iring-iring. Kanang orange nga flowers is iring-iring. You know what's iring-iring mean? You know that flowers, the orange flowers?
Maybe it was there.
No.
For a friend of mine.
Nice. It was a bit further up. Yeah. The house is in there. Oh, a cafe or a restaurant.
A few moments later.
And now, so this is what we've got from the farm. I'll show you. The Royal Gala apple. Royal Gala. So there's two different kinds of apples here. So altogether, I think it's 2 kilos of apple and eggplant and some chilies. This is only 90 cents. And this is $2. Diba? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.